Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 1. The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. Vairochana, replete with magnificent refinements, sits on a lotus-banked lion seat. All the assembled hosts are pure. Silently all gaze in respect. The banks of jewels radiate light, emitting boundless clouds of fragrant flames. Countless flower garlands are draped around. On such a seat does the Buddha sit. Various adornments decorate its glorious facades, constantly emitting lamplight clouds of fragrant flames, immensely vast, blazing, illumining all. The sage sits upon supreme embellishments. On such a seat does the Buddha sit. Various adornments decorate its glorious facades, constantly emitting lamplight clouds of fragrant flames, immensely vast, blazing, illumining all. The sage sits upon supreme embellishments. Beautiful windows of various jewels, draped with lotuses of exquisite gems, always producing sublime sounds delighting all hearers. Thereon Buddha sits, most radiant of all. A jewel crescent supports the seat, shaped like a half-moon. Diamond is its pedestal, its color blazing bright. Enlightening beings constantly circle it. Buddha is most radiant among them. His various mystic displays fill the 10 directions, expounding the far-reaching vows of the enlightened ones. All reflected images appear therein. It is on such a seat the Buddha calmly sits. At that time, the great enlightening being, thunder shaking all, empowered by the Buddha, looked over all the assembled hosts and said, Buddha accumulated enlightenment practices, making offerings to infinite Buddhas everywhere. Sustained by the power of the Enlightened One, none do not see him on his seat. Jewels of fragrant flames, fulfilling all wishes, encrust the Buddha's flower lion throne. Various adornments, all appearing as reflections, are clearly seen by all the hosts. Buddha's throne displays magnificent forms. Instant to instant, their colors and types each differ.